So signs, signals of industrial sickness. So how you can say whether an unit is sick or not? How do you identify that? Do not fall sick overnight. So yesterday a company is doing well, next day the company is closed. That is not possible. So it will take minimum an year to assess whether industry is sick or not. So you cannot say that the sickness will come by overnight. And signs of sickness can be easily identified. That is first thing is reduction in profit. That is the first thing you identify whether you are entering the sickness phase or not. The profit reduction happens. So the company might have been going good, getting good profit, but the reduction in profit, the profit what you got last year is not the same what you get this year. The reduction in profit is one reason which can induce the industrial sickness. And warning signs in several functional areas. So several key functional areas you have. So those functional areas would not be functioning properly. Okay, so they would not be functioning properly, and that is an indicator of sickness. And timely identification makes detection as easy. So you have to identify the sickness as early as possible so that you can be prepared to do something before it becomes too late. Okay, so that you have to plan and detect the sickness very easily so that the remedial action can be taken as quickly as possible. The important signals what financial experts say is decline in capacity utilization, which means you have people who are technically very strong, but you are not using them fully, or they are not up to their potential. Shortage of liquidity, liquid cash you will not have, excess inventory, so you will be spending a lot, non-submission of data to banks for financial institutions. So you don't pay your dues or EMIs regularly because you don't have profit. Irregularity is bank transactions. Yes, you don't know how the money is flowing out of your network. Some irregularity has happened in the bank transaction. Frequent breakdown maintenance. So if you are having a machinery-based enterprise, then frequently if your machines are getting broken down, you have to spend a lot for repairing them. So frequent breakdown maintenance is going to be a key issue in production, manufacturing or production based companies. So when the machines are going to frequently break down, you will have decline in quality. So definitely you cannot speak about quality. Delay in statutory dues like PF, tax and salary. So you delay in getting your refunds. That might be the reason for you cannot invest in the next year, right? Decline in technical deficiency. People have started leaving your company assessing that you might have losses. So the decline in technical deficiency is there, and frequent transfer of personnel. Frequently, if people are changing, then you cannot talk about quality. You don't have the right to talk about quality because consistently, if people are getting changed, it will take time for the new people to get accustomed to their new role. So they cannot perform with that much high quality as the previous people were performing. So which these are the important signals which are identified as key indicators in industrial signals. So these signals will clearly alarm or warn you saying that industrial sickness can happen in your company.